Hi, this is Eric True, CEO of Digital Dental Leaders, and I want to share with you another one of our digital training resources, and this one is Scanning Fit to Partial. This is a really powerful tool of digital dentistry. And there are two scenarios that we find that are most common. The first one is our ideal and recommended way to scan for fit to partial. And that's where you have a tooth that fits the partial well. The tooth has the area where the clasp needs to be or the rest seat needs to be and the shape of the tooth. And so in that scenario, if you'll take the partial out and scan that tooth, the existing tooth thoroughly, including adjacent teeth and the edentulous area, the tissue, get a nice thorough scan of that. And then do your preparation and then scan that area again, the prep, the tissue, and any adjacent teeth or teeth elsewhere in the mouth, so that we can then line those two scans together. And then when we bring the case in to design it, we can duplicate that existing tooth. And if you want changes or improve the aesthetics or function in other ways, just let us know that and we can do that. But we can mimic that existing tooth before you did your preparation so that the partial fits really well. And again, you can send the patient home with the partial, which is ideal. So then the second scenario for fit to partial is when you have a poor fitting partial or the tooth itself doesn't fit the partial well. So in that case, you go ahead and leave the partial in place when you're scanning your preparation. This is challenging, but then you try to capture all the different internal angles and aspects of that partial around the preparation. And then we'll do our best to then fit that crown into that space. But we also then need you to take the partial out and scan the preparation without the partial there. That allows us to see the margin more clearly and to get you a better fit on the prep. And so if you'll get both of those scans, we'll bring them together, line them up, and use that to get you what we hope will be a crown that fits really well. Again, that's not our ideal scenario. The best is what we mentioned first, but this second scenario will work if you're really careful at capturing it thoroughly. Well, if you need more information or more help, you can call us, you can email us, text us. We'd love to help in any way we can. Our goal is to see you have a great result for you, your practice, your patients, and we appreciate the opportunity of getting to work with you.